Last year, I saw a very reputable man listing some courses as useless courses in Nigeria, stupid courses in Nigeria, courses you should never study as a student in Nigeria. Though my course is not listed. My course is not listed. But it actually got me thinking that somebody like that shouldn't be tearing down other people's courses. Like, I mean, I am saying this with respect. Somebody of such influence shouldn't be badmouthing those courses. I understand that some of it might actually be on the extreme side of being what he actually classifies them as. But let's now put it into perspective. If I'm actually studying that type of course and I'm seeing that type of content, like, what do you expect me to feel as a father figure to some people, as a thought leader to some people, as an influencer? I'm not actually expecting him to make a content like that. Instead, he should actually tell students what they can actually do if they are studying that particular course. Somebody studying a course you just called useless, that person is going to feel very bad. You should actually give that type of person a solution that they can actually use to make something out of that course. And like I said in one of my videos, I said you guys should actually start using AIs. You guys should actually start using AI. If your course is called a useless course, use AI to figure out how your courses can be implemented in other profitable industries. Please and please, for God's sake, this generation, you're supposed to use your brain, but you're supposed to use your brain for things that are logical decisions that AI cannot make for you. That's what you're supposed to be using your brain for. You're supposed to be more productive by using AI. I've said this in my previous videos. You guys should actually start using AI. And see, I used to get angry when I see people use AI to write greetings, birthday wishes, this and that, new month messages. AI can actually do more than that. ChatGPT can actually do more than that. So I just get pissed off when I see people using all these powerful tools for something that are so irresponsible. I'm not saying sending new month's message is irresponsible. I'm not saying that those that are using it are not responsible. What I'm saying is that if that is all you are using all these things to do, then I don't know what you can actually classify yourself right now. Just classify yourself. What should we call you? If you are somebody that only uses AI for that type of thing, what should we call you? Eh?